7 Magical Health Benefits of Avocado Seeds. When you think of avocados, it's usually the creamy green flesh that steals the spotlight. But did you know that the real hidden treasure might actually be the seed you throw away? That's right. Avocado seeds are packed with powerful nutrients that can work wonders for your health. From boosting immunity to improving digestion, these humble seeds hold magical secrets that most people overlook. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 incredible health benefits of avocado seeds, and you'll never want to toss them again. 1. Powerful antioxidant boost. Avocado seeds are incredibly rich in antioxidants. In fact, some studies suggest that the seed contains even more antioxidants than the flesh itself. These antioxidants fight against harmful free radicals in your body, protecting your cells from damage and slowing down the aging process. Over time, oxidative stress can lead to serious conditions like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. By including avocado seeds in your diet, you help build a strong shield against these chronic diseases. Think of it as a natural armor for your body. The high levels of polyphenol in avocado seeds work similarly to those found in green tea, offering anti-aging benefits for your skin and vital organs. This makes avocado seeds a fantastic natural supplement to maintain youthful energy and health. Another bonus? Antioxidants also support eye health by protecting against age-related macular degeneration and vision loss. It's like giving your eyes a little gift every time you consume avocado seeds. One simple use: grind the avocado seed into a powder and add 1 teaspoon to your smoothie for a powerful antioxidant punch. 2. Supports healthy digestion. If you struggle with bloating, constipation, or indigestion, avocado seeds can be your new best friend. They are loaded with soluble fiber, which helps regulate your digestive system and keeps things moving smoothly. Soluble fiber acts like a sponge, soaking up waste and toxins from your intestines and carrying them out of your body. This not only improves bowel movements but also supports gut health by feeding good bacteria. A healthier gut means a stronger immune system, better nutrient absorption, and even improved mood thanks to the gut-brain connection. It's incredible how much of your overall health depends on a happy gut. By promoting regular digestion, avocado seeds also help prevent issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and gastrointestinal inflammation, making your digestive tract healthier long-term. One simple use: dry the avocado seed, grate it, and brew it into a tea for a soothing digestive aid after meals. 3. Natural inflammation fighter. Inflammation is at the root of almost every chronic disease, from arthritis to heart problems. Avocado seeds are packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm internal inflammation naturally. The phenolic compounds in avocado seeds help reduce swelling, stiffness, and joint pain, making them an excellent supplement for people dealing with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Instead of relying heavily on medications that come with side effects, incorporating natural anti-inflammatories like avocado seeds can offer a safer, long-term solution. Regular intake can also assist athletes in faster recovery by reducing muscle inflammation after intense workouts. That's why fitness enthusiasts are beginning to appreciate the hidden power of these seeds. Plus, lowering inflammation also contributes to healthier skin, reduced redness, and fewer acne breakouts. It's a full-body benefit. One simple use: mix avocado seed powder with a little honey and apply it as a soothing face mask to calm skin inflammation. Boosts heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but avocado seeds offer a natural way to protect your heart. They help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, keeping your arteries clean and healthy. The soluble fiber in avocado seeds plays a major role in binding to cholesterol and flushing it out of your system before it can clog your arteries. Avocado seeds are also rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium in your body. Another heart-friendly property is the seed's ability to reduce inflammation in blood vessels, further protecting you from heart attacks and strokes. Incorporating avocado seeds into your diet is a simple but powerful step toward a stronger, healthier heart and a longer, happier life. One simple use: blend avocado seed powder into your yogurt for a heart-healthy snack. 5. Helps with weight management. Trying to lose weight? Avocado seeds can become your secret weapon. Thanks to their high fiber content, they help you feel fuller for longer, reducing unnecessary cravings and mindless snacking. Fiber expands in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness that can last for hours. This helps reduce overall calorie intake without making you feel deprived. Additionally, the seed's metabolism-boosting properties help your body burn calories more efficiently, making weight management easier and more sustainable. Unlike some fad diets or weight loss pills, avocado seeds offer a completely natural way to support your weight loss journey. Plus, by improving digestion and reducing bloating, avocado seeds can also help you feel lighter and more comfortable in your body every day. One simple use: add avocado seed powder to your oatmeal or morning smoothie to help curb appetite naturally. 6. Strengthens immune system. Your immune system is your body's defense army against viruses, bacteria, and diseases, and avocado seeds help make that army stronger. The antioxidants, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds in the seed work together to enhance immune function, making you more resilient to illness. Avocado seeds also contain flavonoids, which are powerful natural compounds that have antiviral and antibacterial properties. By incorporating avocado seeds into your diet, you're not just supporting your immediate immune response but also building long-term immunity. Stronger immunity means fewer sick days, quicker recoveries, and more energy to enjoy life to the fullest. One simple use: stir a small amount of avocado seed powder into your soup or broth during cold and flu season. 7. May help regulate blood sugar. Blood sugar spikes and crashes can leave you feeling tired, irritable, and craving unhealthy foods. Thankfully, avocado seeds can help stabilize your blood sugar levels naturally. The fiber and healthy compounds in the seeds slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes, prediabetes, or anyone trying to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Additionally, avocado seeds have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to use sugar for energy instead of storing it as fat. Better blood sugar control also supports weight loss efforts, heart health, and overall well-being. It's a win-win. One simple use: mix avocado seed powder into your pancake batter for a delicious, blood sugar-friendly breakfast. Now that you know the 7 magical health benefits of avocado seeds, it's time to stop tossing them in the trash. Whether you blend them into smoothies, brew them into tea, or sprinkle them onto your meals, avocado seeds can truly transform your health naturally and powerfully. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family members. Let's spread the magic of avocado seeds together.